Welcome back, everybody, to more Metroid Dread. In the last one, we got the spin boost, defeated another soldier, and had a great time with Freezy Emmy. We're gonna have to go see him again very soon. Now that we can get up these flowers.
Yes.
It's a little awkward, but you'll manage. You just gotta be quick. I hate that flower.
Oh, what? Maybe like really fast or something?
There you go. I don't remember if I ever grappled that. It was so annoying.
Yeah, it seems pretty annoying.
I think I tried it a lot of many attempts were made. I was very stubborn. I don't remember if I actually did it though. Cause I was like, God, it's like you can't stand on it long enough.
Yeah.
And that keeps happening. Oh, nice.
I don't think it's possible right now.
Right.
Let's come back later. But for now, it actually seems like you can't do that.
Well, I have some good and bad news for you. I know a place where you can use your spin boost. The bad news is you gotta go back through Emmy Town very soon.
I think we had to go back there anyways. Maybe? Okay.
Okay, bye.
Elsa. Or Anna, or whatever her name is.
One of them. That's my favorite Kingdom Hearts 3 character.
I never watched Frozen.
Oh,
I
really?
played Kingdom Hearts 3, so I basically watched Frozen.
Yeah, it's basically the whole movie. I'm impressed because the world tried to shove that movie down our throats back then, you know?
Yeah.
I'm impressed. There's a new one out right now. What makes me mad about Disney musicals, dude, is that they keep making ones that are better than Frozen, but they'll never top Frozen, like in terms of sales. Because that's the one everyone knows
I
because
might
of
be
the song.
screwed.
Oh gosh. Just slowly make your way. Go in the little hidey hole. You won't get frozen, right?
Oh my gosh. Wait, what?
It's a hidey hole. Except he still has the seismometer. Oh my god, turn around. Turn around. The hidey hole. I like that they really force you to use that Phantom Cloak as much as you can now. Or just dash dance real quick.
Mm-hmm. You played a little bit of melee here.
Do a little trolling. But this is what I was thinking of. You can go up there now.
Yeah.
Because now you have the boost.
Just enough.
Just enough sauce
Well, come on.
to get interrupted by Heracross.
I need him to come down because...
Luke, who do you have on your Legends team? Or does it keep swapping around?
So right now... Because, I mean, I don't know how much I'll play the game anymore, to be honest. I have
Oh, really?
Oshawott, yeah, at level 58. I mean, I'll probably play the game some more, but I don't know. I'm not really interested
I know,
in completing
like-
the Pokédex.
Completing it is going to take an eternity.
Because, I mean, that means I'll have to evolve Oshawott. And that's just
True.
not happening. I'm
That's
sorry.
just not happening, right? You did get, like, you got the main enjoyment anyway out of the main game. That's what matters. I've heard there's post game, so I'm looking forward to it.
I'm working through post game catching the legendaries and stuff.
Oh. Your boy Reggie Gigas.
Yes, I did get him yesterday. Or was it today? I don't remember. Maybe
I
I
gotta
should
play
go
that
this
tomorrow.
week. But yeah, Oshawott, I had a Roserade.
Oh, wait a minute. Is that the control center? I think you already made it.
Wait, what?
Yeah, just go in there.
That's frozen. That's rude.
I think you should be fine, though.
Does it?
Yeah, see, you're fine. I was like, you should probably go in there.
Wait.
I think you've suffered from icy Emmy enough. Feels so soon, right?
Yeah.
But you did go through a lot of rooms having to avoid it. You've died like 47 times, so it's time. It's time to die again because now you have to try and zap him.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
Yeah, so who else do I have on my team? I have Juflin, Sylveon, Hisuian, Avalug.
Oh yeah, you have the snowplower.
I figured I should use an ice type since it's my favorite type.
Get at least one in there.
There's one more, I think I'm forgetting. Oh, Infernape.
Oh yeah, I remember I remember seeing in a screenshot.
I've never used Infernape as my starter before, so figured
I've never used Piplup, so I put Empoleon on mine.
Piplup goaded dude. But I'm just a water type gamer, so
Piplup is a good lad, though.
let's try this one. Maybe some cool if you got that.
I mean, it is going pretty slow. Oh, but this shell is taking a while.
Yeah. Let's see, let's figure out a good room.
Ooh, this is awkward. I remember this now. This is where the real showdown begins. You're not out of the woods yet. Nor are you... Oh yeah, you're not allowed to leave certain rooms either. You're stuck in here. So they force you into the 1v1 showdown. So I noticed some doors turned red.
That's my cousin.
Should be playing Metroid Dread for the Nintendo Switch.
Okay, down over here. Oh, this is neat. Maybe if I could
That's
aim.
some prime real estate.
Please aim, Luke. Please, please, I'm begging you, please aim.
Oh gosh, you were so close.
Dang it.
Close.
Well, I know what to do now.
You found a pretty good spot.
That's like a puzzle more than anything. It's like, find the right spot.
To shoot at his dumb face. Well, I know you won't, but I'll miss the times we had with Sky Blue.
It just kept killing me.
It was funny.
It's like, bam, you're dead. Bam, you're dead.
Make a compilation. We started to lose it in the last one.
Ooh, maybe I should press the right button. There we go.
Buttons are hard.
Wait, it warped me all the way back down.
What the heck?
That's fine. I need to get away from it anyways. There we go.
Oh, now. It can be hard to shoot directly, like sometimes you miss a couple shots. Okay.
Oh!
Oh! Totally did that on purpose. sped up on you.
It's never done that before. Okay.
Yeah, it won't let you win that easily.
Good to know. Good to know. It's a learning experience.
I'll share my strat after you win.
Mhm.
It's not very different from what you're already doing, but
As long as it doesn't come from up.
well, I say my strat, but really.
Where is it? What? Oh, there you are.
Yeah, it's going pretty slowly through doors. What are you gonna do this time?
That.
Sheesh!
Sheesh. I never said that
You,
before.
you want to know a crazy, funny thing that can happen?
What?
So what I did was I blew his head off, right?
Mhm.
And then like he starts charging at you. So I went down and then went back around so I could have more time.
Okay, I see.
I thought that would work, but guess what he did?
What?
Okay, also ice missiles, hype.
Yes.
You finally got them. I love them.
Mhm.
It consumes missile ammo in this game, basically.
Oh. Hmm. Okay.
So yeah, stand right there.
Mhm.
So what happened was I went on the zip line thing and I was waiting for him, right? But he wasn't showing up, and I was like, "Where is he?" And then he climbed up that part and insta killed me.
Oh my gosh.
He
Got
only
you.
does that if you already blew the faceplate off. He'll go down instead of doing the same thing where
That's
you can
funny.
shoot him. So then he insta killed me because he popped up from beneath me.
Yeah.
I was waiting to see if that would happen to you, but you were able to get him.
I got lucky there.
It was so funny. I was like, oh my god. Because he didn't fall for the same trick twice. It's very funny when people get caught by it, aka me.
Smart.
I thought I had him because I shot the thing off, and I was like, let me just go down, go back around, and I'll be fine. Ice missiles, woo! Yeah, they're not ice beams, really.
Oh.
But they're pretty strong. They don't make the crunchy noise they did in Super.
That's unfortunate.
Where they're like, oh.
That's not unfortunate. That's epic and pog.
That's really awesome, cool. Really Zayum wow.
Zane.
Zayum. I know exactly where you can go, but take your time. Oh.
Where did I go?
This.
Uh-oh.
It's a morph cube.
Oh, cool.
You are gonna lose your bananas at this one.
3 morph cubes. When I get the 4th morph cube, I can turn into a morph cube. And
You're
that
gonna.
lets
This
me-
one, I believe, is from Samus Returns.
Okay.
It's the X-ray,
Let's go.
but it's even better. Wait until you activate it.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
It shows you the actual cube. Try it right now. And then it takes a long time to wear off, and then your Aeon just charges back up, so then you can use it again. Oh yeah, you're gonna like this power.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am. Oh, you got the ice missiles and the radar in the same episode.
This is the
dude.
best episode.
This is the greatest episode ever. When in doubt, scan it out. It's so much faster than you standing there and using the X-ray.
Yes.
Because you can actually move around now
Mhm.
and scan. It was your biggest wish.
I know. Oh, it's a one-way door. That's unfortunate.
In the 3DS, they gave you this Aeon ability first.
Oh wow. That's.
Which is
I feel like. I don't know. I feel like I should have done that here too.
It wasn't broken because like it helps you when you're looking for stuff or you're lost on where to go.
Yeah, exactly.
Because they give it to you pretty late in this game, but in the 3DS, it's the first Aeon you get.
Well, I have it now, so I'm not complaining.
Oh yeah. I was happy because I didn't think they would bring it back because I didn't get it until this point in the game. And I was like, oh, they should have brought back the radar. But little did I know.
Get that one later. Oop.
Very nice. Oh.
This room.
Oh, there's nothing we could do down here. This is where you got the spin boost.
Oh yeah, it leads right back to it.
Yeah. Dead End City. You can go back there.
Yeah, I can. We can go to that new area.
Yeah. You'll be back to Gavin, but you can come back with some new sauce.
What's up there?
I know, right? A lot of mysteries. That's what. For now, though.
Oh wait, I can do this one.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, where does this lead?
We spent a lot of time in Gavin, honestly.
We really did.
Because we got owned by the soldier at the entrance, and then...
Back to Therinia.
What do we call this one again? Did we come up with a name for this one?
We didn't.
Dang. We'll call it Phineas and Ferenia.
Phineas. Verb.
They would have solved COVID by now, Luke, I'm just saying.
Okay.
They would have come up with something.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
With a song attached to it,
Of
preferably.
course. So it can't be a children's cartoon without a song forced in every now and then for no reason.
Of course. Oh, by the way, this place is 40 times harder than your first visit now.
Oh, I can enter.
Now it's like a real castle. Hyrule Castle. Hey, look, a power-up.
Yeah. You know what time it is.
You can't get it.
Whatever this is. And
But-
watch, it's gonna be so cool when I fall.
Yeah, when you fall down because you can't get it. This is like Hyrule Castle level now.
True.
Oh, you can't. But you do have the radar.
I like it. Sit on.
Did the guy explode? What was that?
Oh no.
Oh, look, the poo-poo slugs are even crazier now. Jeez. God, I just want to watch you beat the entire game, Luke. Which will happen, but I mean, like...
Like right now, yeah, I wish I could pull an all-nighter, but...
I'm sure that's what a lot of fans did when the game first came out. We're gonna wait all that time and then just beat the game in a day.
The Mockin conducted ceremonies and rituals here.
Now they're all dead.
It was likely destroyed in the chaos following the X's arrival. That would match what Quiet Road said. They have turned it into
Yeah, the X really did a number on
They
this
have
place.
also detected the presence of an unusually powerful X.
Probably the one that possessed Quiet.
All that the enemy in this area could see through the rain and stun targets with an electric.
Oh yeah, this one has a stun gun.
Oh.
My sensors
The
indicate
indigo
the
one.
has been reactivated. We can assume that Raven Deep is behind this too.
It's even worse than the freeze.
We have not to be
Oh,
careful
gosh.
with them.
Yeah. What color haven't we seen? I guess like red and orange, right?
Yeah, we haven't seen red.
Probably the last one.
Oh god, electro enemies, not good.
Yeah, I'm just gonna stay away from them.
Electric enemies are never a good time.
Oh, I love how that
You
one
can't really melee electricity, you know. But kind of just zap yourself.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, these guys kind of suck. Nice. Get back some health. There's a big room. Oh, of course, went into another enemy. Can't. It's never easy to get rid of these stupid things. Oh, I see a frosty room to the right. We still can't do those.
I wonder if we get the gravity suit before the ice suit, or maybe it helps us with ice. Who knows?
The gravity suit can do whatever you want it to, Luke. It can do anything because it's the best suit.
Oh, okay. True. It is purple.
Nice. Dead. Yeah, I just don't like those things, period. But that does put a smile on my face. There's just so many critters all over the place. Oh god. I remember just running past everyone here. Oh, there's another frosty room. Another frozone. Oh gosh.
That was not my best moment. Oh boy.
Oh. Yeah, it can sense you from anywhere.
Cool.
No matter where you are. And then it does things when it's closer. Best to just GTFO as always.
Yeah.
And plus you're underwater without the gravity suit for like the 4th time.
No.
I'll give you one shot at this, otherwise we're done. Hello, friend.
No, I want to be done.
The episode is over.
Oh. It has been 22 minutes, huh?
In the next episode, viewers, we find a way to get past the Indigo Emmy.
Do we? Oh gosh, it's gonna be a while, huh?
We'll see you then.